Now, this illustration deals with a means to prevent physical damage in accordance with 110.27b. Now, notice this particular piece of equipment, service equipment, we have 6 mains, and we have dividers dividing the sections there so that they're isolated one from another. And notice that we have 6 service mains, 2 across and 3 deep, and they meet 230.71 because we're allowed 2 to 6. And then notice 230.72, they're grouped like that section requires. Now this piece of gear, because it's totally enclosed except maybe for some ventilating openings, could actually be installed anywhere. But facilities usually want this main gear installed in locked rooms where only qualified people that know the switching arrangement, that the 1 to 6 are mains, and the other mains to the right, which we have, as you see, 6 more, those mains may feed individual panel boards, equipment, and switchboards, and so forth. So they only want qualified people that know what they're switching, and do they have permission from the company to do the switching, to isolate an area and put it into electrically safe work condition that Article 120 of NFPA 70E requires, along with NFPA 70B, Chapter 7. So this figure, an illustration, just illustrates the procedure to install this equipment, to prevent physical damage occurring to it, and also isolate it in such a manner that only qualified people have access to it in accordance with NEC 110.27b, as in boy.